Japanese journalist Kyoko Ogura reported the Jana Yuddha in Nepal, and I worried about the many PLA soldiers killed and injured, but no good treatment. Especially Srimati requesting me to sometime come back together. but I request to Srimati, please come to Taban, stay together. It is my request to family. And if I die in Taban, please here some make for and digging. I studied about the history of Nepal and the history of Taban, and like this, and Taban has very long history, which contributed to the political change of Nepal. Mr. Prachanda visited Taban, and at that time I talked with Mr. Prachanda, and I requested Taban health condition very bad, Kathmandu good. Please change this gap small. I requested to Prachanda. Prachanda, Mr. Prachanda, understand. I do that.
सुरुमा दर्शकहरूलाई हजुरको परिचयबाट सुरु गरौँ न.
Okay, my name is Dr. Ishida from Japan, Osaka, and now I working here about 10 years here, and this hospital also about 8 years working here.
तपाई कसरी त्यो जापानको सुख छोडेर हैन जापान जस्तो विकसित मुलुकलाई छोडेर यो नेपालको विकट ठाउँ यो दुर्गम ठाउँ रोल्पा जिल्लाको थबाङसम्म आइपुग्नु भयो तपाईको थोरै इतिहास भनिदिनुस् न.
I was interested in the Jana Yuddha also in Japan because Japanese journalist Kyoko Ogura reported the Jana Yuddha in Nepal, and I worried about the many PLA soldiers killed and injured, but no good treatment. And I worried in Japan, but I felt it is dangerous to visit direct to the war area. That I looking only the Kyoko Ogura report news. Dangerous. PLA soldier very bad condition for treatment, and during wartime I worried about this problem, and so waiting for some chance to revisit, and just after peace process, and at that time, same time I was 60 years old. This is a retirement possible from Japanese hospital, and I retired from Japanese hospital and I came here to Taban.
कति वर्ष भयो तपाई नेपालमा आको या यो थबाङसम्म आइपुगेको चाहिँ कति वर्ष भयो?
Taban over 10 years before. 10 years. 10 वर्ष अगाडि.
अनि तपाई चाहिँ कति वर्षको पुग्नु भयो नि अहिले?
Now 72 years old.
72.
Yeah. So after retirement of 60 years old, just 12 years, now here in Nepal.
तपाईको यो उमेर भनेको बुढेसकालको उमेर हो हैन? अलि यो उमेरमा तपाई घरमै बस्नुपर्ने आफ्नो देशमा बसेर सुखसँग बस्नुपर्ने घर परिवारसँग र पनि थबाङमा बसेर थबाङी जनताहरुको रोल्पाली जनताहरुको सेवा गरिराख्नु भएको छ. यसमा कारण चाहिँ के छ?
This is a long time ago that student time when I came. I stayed in Nepal maybe half year, long time. I stayed and go around the villages, and at that time I'm a medical student and no good health service. But village people asked me, please come back again after you become a doctor. And okay, I will come back in future. I promised to the village people, but after return, I very busy. But I could not forget this promise. Oh, I must in future go back to Nepal again. And then after retirement, I get a chance to come back to Nepal. Yeah, like this.
थबाङ्गी जनताहरूले या यहाँका रोल्पाका बासिन्दाहरूले तपाईलाई कतिको माया गर्नुहुन्छ या तपाईलाई कतिको तपाईको यो काममा कतिको साथ सहयोग दिनुहुन्छ?
I go around the western, middle western area. Many places I made some research health camp from Jumla, Jajalkot, Lukung, Rolpa, Bagulong also. And comparing to the another area, here in Tabang, Tabangi people have very independent and self-liberating spirit, and like this, I like Tabangi people because of this independent spirit. Yeah, I like this.
तपाई घर पनि जानुहुन्छ कहिलेकाहीँ? Japan.
Now sometimes I go back to Japan because Srimati waiting. Sometimes Srimati, and 1 year, 2 times I return. Every 1-2 months return to Japan. Yeah.
तपाईको घर परिवारहरूले जापानमा हुनुभएका तपाईका फ्यामिलीहरूले कहिलेकाहीँ नेपालको त्यो दुर्गम ठाउँमा किन बसिराख्नु भएको छ या थबाङमा बसेर किन त्यहाँका जनताहरूसँग रमाइराख्नु भएको छ, कहिलेकाहीँ अब चाहिँ जापानमै फर्किनुस् आफ्नै घर परिवारसँग रमाउला भनेर पनि भन्नुहुन्छ कहिलेकाहीँ?
Especially Srimati requesting me to sometime come back together. but I request to Srimati, please come to Tabang, stay together in Tabang. I requesting, but here very different from Japan. In Japan, fooding, lodging, shopping, everything very good condition. But here in the Tabang, very different. For Srimati, it is very difficult to stay here with me. But so that sometimes I return.
थबाङमा रहेर अहिले तपाईले कस्ता खालका बिरामीहरूलाई अलि बढी सेवा दिदै हुनुहुन्छ? कस्ता खालका बिरामीहरू आउनुहुन्छ यो थबाङको यो हस्पिटलसम्म चाहिँ?
Yeah, I originally in Japan working as an orthopedic surgeon, so that I am a specialist for fracture, dislocation, or some like this. So that many fracture, trauma patient coming this area.
यो थबाङमा यहाँ चाहिँ आफ्नै खाम भाषा बोलिन्छ, यहाँको मगर समुदायको भाषा बोलिन्छ, तपाई पनि बुझ्नुहुन्छ यहाँको भाषाहरू?
थोड़ा only some words, checking patient time. Kataka furuje means Nepali Bhasha, Kandukcha. Like this, very simple Kambarsa, only I can speak for patient checking time.
अनि कहिलेकाहीँ यो हस्पिटलमा बिरामीहरू गाउँबाट आउँदाखेरि हैन, अलि तलका गाउँ बस्तीका बिरामीहरू यो अस्पतालसम्म आइपुग्दै गर्दाखेरि तपाई जापानिज डाक्टर देखेपछि कहिलेकाहीँ अचम्म मान्नुहुन्छ कहिलेकाहीँ?
But I think nowadays not so far patient coming. Sometimes Liban patient or Leukocyte patient coming here, but now there's not so many advertisements.
तपाईँ लामो समय थबाङमा रहेर सेवा दिनुभयो होइन? यो थबाङको संस्कृति, यहाँको संस्कार, रीतिरिवाजसँग जापानका केही त्यस्ता चिजहरू, त्यहाँका रीतिरिवाजहरू पनि केही कुराहरू पनि मिल्छ?
Everything is very different, but I feel that Magal people is and Japanese people is same Mongolian, so that some basic cultural problem is some same problem, but about the this income money problem. Here around Lolpa, MBBS doctor getting only 10 times less than Japan, and it means very poor. But village life is very simple, and some simple life here. I like this simple life here.
तपाईँ अझै कति वर्ष थबाङमा रहेर सेवा गर्छु भन्ने मनमा लिनु भएको छ अहिले?
Yeah, I have not so long future, maybe, but I think so that we are now talking with family, and yeah, I please all resting life spent in Tabang. It is my request to family, and if I die in Tabang, please here some make for and digging. This is I talking always to my family.
तपाईलाई यति धेरै थबाङप्रतिको मोह, थबाङप्रति यति धेरै आकर्षण चाहिँ के चिजले बनायो त्यस्तो चाहिँ?
Yeah, I studied about the history of Nepal and the history of Tabang, and like this, and Tabang have very long history, which contributed to the political change of Nepal. So this is the main point. I like Tabang. Yeah. The Tabang people created new age of Nepal, I believe. So yeah, this is my main reason why I like Tabang.
तपाईँ जापानको एकजना डाक्टर जो यति दुर्गम ठाउँमा थबाङमा आएर यहाँका बिरामीहरूलाई सेवा सुविधा प्रदान गर्दै हुनुहुन्छ हैन? तपाईँ यो ठाउँमा रहेर, यो अस्पतालमा रहेर यसरी बिरामीहरूलाई सेवा सुविधा दिँदै गर्दाखेरि यो मुलुकको सरकारले या यहाँको स्थानीय सरकारले हैन कतिको सहयोग गरिरहेछ तपाईलाई, या तपाईप्रति कतिको सकारात्मक हुनुहुन्छ यहाँका स्थानीय सरकारका जनप्रतिनिधिहरू?
You are working in too much remote area of Nepal. So this you are working it. How about the evaluation of government side?
Japanese?
No, Nepali government. How about think about your job? Local local government is positive or negative? How doing support to you or not supported? How about your job and government idea?
Yeah, well, Tabangi people, I maybe supporting my job here, and I feel that our relation, Tabangi people and I, very strong, because it's a very long history, 10 years history. I stayed here and doing job here. And about the government, I don't know. I don't know what they think. But 8 years before, 8 years before, Mr. Prachanda visited Tabang, and at that time I talked with Mr. Prachanda, and I requested Tabang health condition very bad, Kathmandu good. Please change this gap small. I requested to Prachanda. Prachanda, Mr. Prachanda, understand. I do not. And I do not know how he think now about me. I do not know.
हाम्रो राज्यले या नेपालको सरकारले यो मुलुकले जसले थबाङमा आएर यसरी योगदान पुर्याउनु भएको छ तपाईको निम्ति के गरिदिए हुन्थ्यो जस्तो लाग्छ राज्यले तपाईलाई?
Yeah, I need my first request. It is to make good hospital facility in Tabang. Nowadays, in many rural villages, new hospital is constructing. Every Gamparika, one 15-bed hospital. It is government policy, but not yet here in Tabang. So that 15-bed hospital is most necessary for Tabang and for me also. It is the most big request.
तपाईले लामो समय थबाङमा रहेर बिरामीहरूको स्याहार सुसार गर्नुभएको छ, बिरामीको पीडामा दुःखमा तपाई पनि सहभागी हुनुभएको छ हैन, उहाँहरूको दुःख देख्नु भएको छ नजिकबाट। तपाईले यो बिरामीहरूको उपचार गर्दै गर्दाखेरि कहिलेकाहीँ डाक्टर भएको नाताले कहिलेकाहीँ एउटा बिर्सनै नसकिने क्षणहरू हुन्छ नि, बिरामीको उपचार गरेको ती पलहरू डाक्टरको जिन्दगीमा, एउटा डाक्टरको जिन्दगीमा तपाईले थबाङबाट चाहिँ त्यस्तो कुनै अविस्मरणीय क्षणहरू छन् उपचार गर्दाका क्षणहरू?
Mother and baby died at delivery. Very difficult delivery. From baby come out from hand like, and very difficult, not possible to delivery.
सम्झिनु भने उहाँले सम्झिराख्ने कुरा भनेको आजभन्दा 7 वर्ष अगाडि चाहिँ एउटा जटिल प्रसुति व्यथा लागेको एउटा थियो। त्यो चाहिँ समयमा पत्ता नलागेर यो बच्चा तेर्सो भएर जब व्यथा लाग्यो, व्यथा लागिसकेपछि बच्चाको हात बाहिर निस्क्यो अनि बच्चाको हात बाहिर निस्क्यो, अरु भाग बाहिर निस्किन सकेन र खुन्चिँदै जाँदा पाठेघर फुट्यो। पाठेघर फुटेर धेरै रगत बगेर चाहिँ आमा र बच्चा दुवैको ज्यान हाम्रै अगाडि, हामीले बनारै अगाडि हाम्रै हातमा आमा र बच्चा दुवैको ज्यान गयो। यो नै एकदम दुःखदायी क्षण हो, बिर्सन नसकिने दुःखद घटना चाहिँ त्यो हो मेरो लागि।
In Japan, helicopter, telephone time, helicopter, 10 minutes come and carry. Every rural village, within 1 year, cesarean section operation possible. Within 1 year, 1 hour. But here, only waiting mother, baby die. So, emergency cesarean section operation, possible hospital is necessary here, rural area, each rural. So, it is for this purpose we made this hospital, but here not yet enough for doing big operation. That government must make 15-bed hospital here. It is my request and a very sad memory. Yes.
तपाई थबाङको यो हस्पिटलमा काम गर्दै गर्दाखेरि यहाँको भौतिक संरचनाहरू हैन, भौतिक पूर्वाधारहरू लगायत यहाँ कर्मचारीका कुराहरू होलान्, के कति कुराहरूको अभाव भइराछ अहिले यो थबाङको यो हस्पिटलमा?
Yeah, I think here now necessary more manpower, staff is necessary. Every staff working very hard, but not enough manpower. So that I think here is not available that Nepali MBBS doctor, at least one Nepali MBBS doctor necessary, and another I have HA staff nurse, like this, more 2 times big number staff is necessary here. It is the most difficult problem here, I feel. At that time, one ANM, very serious duodenal ulcer, and very serious virami. It is because she worked very hard day and night, too much hard working, and become serious virami. Like this condition.
यहाँ हस्पिटलमा जनशक्तिको अभाव छ अनि दसैँ तिहारको समयमा जनशक्ति नभएर एउटै स्टाफले चाहिँ 24 घण्टा यहाँ रात दिन 24 घण्टा कडा परिश्रम गरेका कारण आफै बिरामी भएर यो आन्द्रामा घाउ परेर आफै तला पर्ने स्थितिसम्म आछ त्यो बाध्यता